how to fix Discord mic or voice not working, let's get started. For that, first of all, simply open the Discord application. Log into your account. Once logged in, tap on this user settings. Inside your scroll below, then you will be able to find voice and video. Simply tap onto it. Now inside here, you need to make sure input devices and output devices are set correctly. If everything looks good but is still not working, scroll all the way until the end, then tap on reset beside reset all voice and video settings. After that, simply confirm and now check if the microphone or voice issue is fixed or not. If not, right click on this window icon, then press on Task Manager. After that, you need to go and simply tap on Processes tab, search for Discord. Right click on Discord, then tap on End Task. Once you do that, tap on Details, and then if you see any Discord processes running, right click onto it, and then select End Process Tree. Now go back to your system tray at the very bottom, and if you still see Discord right over here, you can simply right click onto it, then tap on Quit Discord. Now next, in the search bar, simply search for CMD and then choose Run as Administrator. When it opens up, you can simply type in ipconfig //flushdns, then press on Enter. Now once you have done everything, you can simply restart your PC, and just like that, your issue will be fixed. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.